Hello, thank you for watching. And today we are going to Channel Islands National Park. And Channel Islands is consists of 5 islands. And today we are going to explore Santa Cruz Island, which is the biggest island of this national park. And in order to get there, it's going to be like a 1 hour boat ride. And one of the cruises that takes you there is the Island Packers.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Hi!
I got my passport stamped.
And we're ready!
Yep. Hey, we're in line right now to get board and excited!
Yay, we are on board. We're ready for the boat ride. Here they are, look at the dolphins. Oh man.
There you go.
And it's a good idea to be down here no later than 15-20 minutes.
Woohoo, that was a fun ride.
But you know what? You can just get in the water and then you'll get cold. And then you'll warm up with the wetsuit.
Hello, we are here at Channel Islands and we're gonna do
coming back and picking us
kayaking.
up. Yeah, like you were just saying.
Here they will
Get
provide
everybody
us
on one
kind
trip.
of board or whatever you call it. A vest, a jacket, and a wetsuit, and also this is a required props. And let's do it!
Hello now, so we're ready to go down to the water, and right now we're just waiting for our group. And while waiting, we just want to let you know that if you want to do this kayaking here at Channel Islands and Santa Cruz Island, and that you have to book your kayaking tours, and we did that at adventurecompany.com. So book ahead before you get here, and it's going to be fun. Here we are! Nancy's paddling. There she is. Incredible. That was fun kayaking. Alright, and we'll see you guys later. So we just finished kayaking and it was really fun. It's beautiful. We've seen many beautiful caves. So kayaking is one of the best way to do it here in Channel Islands, Santa Cruz Island.
We were going to the Emerald Cave. So there's pretty much a lot of waves.
Yes.
And then we got our kayak got tipped over.
Yeah, we fell, so we swam, we got wet. And one good tip for doing kayaking here is bring extra clothing, which is we did. We were
We all
prepared.
got wet.
We all got wet, yeah, but it was fun. Our first time kayaking. So we have 1 hour to do hiking, and here we are. So we try to catch that boat before it leaves at 4 p.m. So we have 1 hour, and we are going to hike the Potato Harbor Overlook. It's about 2 miles back and forth, so that would give us an hour. And behind us is a camping site right there. It's a campground, and if you want to do camping,
You have to bring everything.
it's very nice here too. You have to do camping. The only thing is when you camp here, since it's an island, you don't have any resources for food or anything else.
Water. To bring your water.
Yeah, so when you come here, you have to bring everything on your own. Plenty of food, plenty of water, that's enough for you during your stay. And yeah, of course, your camp equipment. Hello. So we are decided to come back because it looks like we don't have enough time to make it back at 4 p.m. or else we're gonna get stranded here, and
We don't
Yeah.
have any things for
yeah,
us to use that for.
or
the
we might gonna
moment.
camp with
Yeah.
other people. Anyway, yeah, so it was a great experience here. If you want to come, those are the things to do. Pretty much you can there's a lot of trails here to hike, scenic coast view, and just visit the website, nationalparks.gov, and click to Channel Islands National Park. And thank you guys for watching. So see you on our next adventure.
If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe.
Thank you.